Today, we are diving into the job automation in Linux. Whether you are managing backups, updates, or cleanup tasks, automation is key to efficiency and reliability. I will walk you through cron jobs for recurring tasks, the add command for one-time scheduling, and how to write a simple shell script to tie it all together. Let's start with recurring automation. Cron is the go-to scheduler for recurring tasks in Linux. It runs jobs based on time patterns defined in a cron tab file. To edit the cron tab file, type the command cron tab-e. Hit enter and you should see the cron tab file. As you can see here, I have one cron job scheduled at 2 a.m. every Monday. How did they tell that this is going to be running every Monday at 2 a.m.? It's because of these columns here. So the first column is the minute, which is 0. The second column is the hour, which is 2, so it's 2 a.m. The third column is for the day of the month, which goes from 1 to 31, but for us it's a star, so we are not using it. The fourth column is for the month, which goes from 1 to 12, but for us it's a star, so we are not using it, which means any month and any day of the month. And the fifth column is 1, and this is for the day of the week. The day of the week goes from 0 to 6, starting from Sunday. So 1 will be Monday, and that's why this script runs every Monday on 2 a.m. To exit this script, type Ctrl X on the Nano editor. If you want to list the cron jobs without editing the cron tab file, replace E with L. And this is going to list the cron jobs. And as you can see, we have only one cron job. To check if the cron service is running, you can use the command systemctl space status space cron and hit enter. And as you can see, the cron service is active and running. Type Q to exit. The second type of jobs is one-time jobs. For one-time tasks, Linux offers the add command, which is perfect for scheduling updates, reboots, or cleanup jobs that don't need repetition. An example of a NAT job is the following, which is going to run the script update.sh at 2:30 p.m. If you want to specify a date, you can do that. You can even change the format of the time, so we can do 2 colon 30 space PM space August, for example, space 15, which means it's going to run on August 15th at 2:30 p.m. If you hit enter, the job is scheduled and the job number is 6. We have a warning here that the command will be executing using the sh shell, which is fine for our example at least. To view the scheduled at jobs, you use the command @q. So as you can see, this is the job number 6 that we just scheduled. If you want to remove a job, just type the command @rm and space the job number. So this should remove job number 6. So if you list the jobs again, we should see no jobs. Add jobs are executed by the ATD service. If you want to make sure that the ATD service is running, you can do that using the systemctl status ATD command. And as you can see, the ATD service is active and running. Hit Q to exit this command. Now that you understand the concept of repetitive jobs and one-time jobs, let's write a shell script for automation. So let's create a script, a simple script that backs up your home directory and logs the action in a log file. This script can be reused in both cron jobs or add jobs. So the script name would be weekly backup.sh, for example. So let's do vi weekly underscore backup.sh. So as you can see, the script already exists. I already created it. So this is the content of the script. So what it does is run the tar command to compress the folder slash home slash Muhammad, which is my home directory, to a file called target. And this target would be under the backups directory, and the file name or the name of the compressed file would be home backup with timestamp and extension .tar.gz. So this is what the script does so far. After that, after compressing the home directory, it echoes a message of backup completed on the date, and it redirects this message to the file backup.log. Type :x to exit, and to make this file executable, run the command chmod plus x and then the file name. And this should make the file executable. And an executable file is always highlighted in green like this. Same like script.sh. So that's how you automate jobs in Linux using cron, at, and the shell script. You will find the full script, notes, and examples in my GitHub repo linked below.